Shillong city centre turned into a protest arena today as the Northeast Students Organisation Neso, led by Chairman Samuel B. Jirwa, staged a sit-in demanding immediate action against illegal immigration. The coordinated agitation, mirrored in other northeastern capitals, brought the volatile migration debate back to the political forefront. At Khandai Lat, members of the Khasi Students' Union held banners warning of demographic imbalance and cultural erosion, accusing successive governments of neglecting the crisis. The protest was not merely symbolic. The KSU declared it had already launched volunteer-led checks in border areas of southwest Khasi Hills, a move designed to mimic the long-demanded inner-line permit system. The union also renewed its push for a territorial defense force in Meghalaya, arguing that porous borders with Bangladesh continue to undermine the state's security. Monday's sit-in was part of a broader Neso mobilization under Samuel B. Jirwa's leadership, with parallel demonstrations in Guwahati, Kohima, Aizawl, and elsewhere. Together, the protests signaled a regional hardening of stance, with student groups calling for fencing of the border, identification and removal of undocumented migrants, and legal guarantees for indigenous rights. By combining citywide demonstrations with direct border initiatives, Neso made clear that the Northeast student movement is prepared to act where governments have faltered. The Shillong protest marked not just another round of rhetoric, but a warning that the migration issue is escalating into a defining political fault line.
Today on the 18th of August 2025 is part of the program of the Northeastern Organization in the whole of the Northeastern region, in all the state capitals, where we have to sit and strike to pressurize the state governments and also the government of India to take note of this very, very serious issue that has been plaguing the Northeastern region for so many years now, since independence. And we have faced this problem of illegal immigration of people from across the border, especially from Bangladesh to the different states of the northeastern region. And we have seen the situation in Tripura, we have seen now the situation in Assam, and even in Meghalaya. We have witnessed so many upheavals and people's movement against this infiltration of people from Bangladesh. So this sit and strike is a call to the government of India and also to the state governments of the different states of the northeastern region to take note of this very serious issue and to take proactive actions on the ground to stop this illegal infiltration. The issue of ILP is a very old issue in which the Khasi Students' Union has been demanding since 1983. But sadly and unfortunately, the government of India and also the successive central governments have not implemented the inline permit in the different states of the northeastern region and also in the state of Meghalaya. Well, we hope that the governments at the center and the states are responsible governments. And even a strike of 1 hour or even a strike of 10 days, I think it will not make any difference to them if they are responsible enough for the welfare and protection of the indigenous peoples of the different states of the northeastern region. And as we have seen, on the 15th of August 2025, the Prime Minister of India has recognize the gravity of the issue, in which he has stated that the demography of the country, and especially we think the northeastern region, has been affected because of this large-scale illegal immigration from Bangladesh. So we hope that the government of India, in which the Prime Minister has acknowledged this grave issue, we hope that the government of India will take concrete steps on the ground so as to protect the welfare of the indigenous peoples of the northeastern region.